September 14th, just around legal sunrise right now. Been working a ton lately, haven't really been able to take the time off I wanted to for hunting season, but luckily today I was blessed with a little bit of snow on my day off. I plan to do some still hunting anyway, so hopefully we'll work out for the better. Hopefully we'll be able to get into something. I just pulled off the main road and there we go, looks like more snow. Let's see what happens. Decent snow up here. Definitely the first tire tracks to come through, so it'd be cool if I could cut a track like this, something really fresh. You know, you can really see it now. There's been 2 little snow waves in the last 6 hours, so it's fresh, it's fresh. I'm really hoping to just push back into the spot and then cut a track walking from there, but I don't know, it'd be cool to see something on the road right now. Alright, got to the spot. Quite a nice little bit of snow up here. I was super worried when I turned onto the road because there were some tire tracks and there's a deer camp out this road, but there's only one. And when I was grouse hunting in here last week, they were bringing their 4-wheeler in and setting up. So when I saw the tracks, I was like, oh no, they're out here. But it looks like they just kind of drove this last night and then this morning and never went in. I checked to see if they had any boot tracks or anything leaving the truck and nothing. So I'm parked up on the end of the road and gonna go in and see if we can't cut a track. Alright, we're hiking in. The snow's looking really good in this spot. Kind of what I dreamed it up to be for today. So the snow's not too bad either. It's like that quiet, like compression snap. It quiets the leaves more than anything, which is the important part, so we'll see how we do. Hey, bear. Hey, bear. Minutes ago I just ran head to head into a bear, so that was pretty cool. I'll pop that video up, but just ran into my first track. Looks like from the middle of the night last night. It looks like it's heading in the exact opposite direction of where I was planning to go. I don't know if I should take it or not. I mean, it's something, but I mean, it looks like a good track. Don't know how late I am behind it and if I'll be able to catch up to it on this size chunk. We'll see. Well, I turned around and I jumped back on that track. Just, why not? And I'm following it. I think it's a buck. It just came in and out the tree. Right over there, and this one as well here. They kind of pawed up the ground too, so that's at least a buck, right? It's hard to tell where he goes from here, but we'll see if I can get on him. it's kind of a good area to bed. And I keep getting glimpses of the track where it's not as snowed in, and it's decent. He's taking me through some skinny stuff. I don't really care about the rack as long as he's legal, but he also keeps taking me past all these little rubs. I think that's a good sign. We'll see. We're on a buck, baby. Oh yeah, he just opened the heck out of this scrape right here. I mean, this snow just looks like the snow from when I first came in here. It doesn't look any older than that, so we could be getting close. Yeah, just that little last coating of snow. Not much. That's a good sign. Seems like he's running a scrape line because he just opened up another scrape underneath the apple tree. He's dragging toes now. Alright, this is scrape like 5 or 6. I've lost count. This one's got no snow in it, so at least from when I pulled in this morning, right around then. So I'm catching up, but I'm running out of public land, so we'll see how that goes. Getting far from my truck. Just jumped a deer. I don't see any other tracks, so I think it was him. Alright. Well, that's it for that guy. I jumped up in that last video. Try to get back on, but he's like headed around the corner of this ridge and downhill away from the snow. The snow is also melting pretty quick in here, so that one jump was all I got, and I didn't even see him. Pretty good for the first day out, though. We'll see how the rest of the day goes.